Y-balance lower quarter test. The Y-balance test is the modification of the star excursion balance test using the three directions, one in the front and two in the back, the anterior, posterior medial, and posterior lateral reads. It's a functional test that is used to test athletes' range of motion, postural control, and proprioceptive abilities. According to Plisky, 2006, the Y-balance test has excellent inter-rater reliability. It is useful in clinical practice in order to help clinicians to make a decision for the athlete's readiness to participate in sport and keep a record of scores to be able to track changes. In study, participants exhibited an anterior ridge asymmetry of greater 4 cm, suggesting impaired balance symmetry and potentially increased risk for injury. To conduct the test, we use the Y-balance test kit and using the protocol published by Plisky 2009. Participants should thoroughly warm up prior to the test. In addition, sufficient recovery of about 5 minutes should be administered following the warm-up and prior to the test. To perform the Y-balance test, you will need to balance one leg, having your hands on your waist. The task requires moving with your toes each of the three indicators as far as possible and return to the center position without losing your balance. The same procedure will be repeated in all directions for both legs. Before the formal attempts, you will have a familiarization period of either 3, 4, or 6 practice trials. Then you have a few minutes rest and you will perform 3 attempts to each direction for each leg. You have to control the movement at all times. An attempt that you will kick the sliding mouse farther to get better results, or placing the foot on the rail, or losing your balance and touch the ground will disqualify this attempt and you will have to repeat the movement. For the calculation, we record the highest reach distance on each direction and for all 3 directions, and normalize them to the participant's limb length. You can use these results to detect side-to-side asymmetries and compare to normative data of similar population. According to the literature, the Y-balance test is a valuable tool used to assess athletes' readiness to return to sport participation and detect a risk of injury.